Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 2FA codes from Authy to a new phone, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your 2FA codes from Authy to a new phone, start by installing the Authy app on your new device. Open the Authy app on your new phone. When prompted, enter the phone number associated with your Authy account. You will receive a verification code via SMS or a call. Enter the verification code in the app on your new device. Once verified, your Authy account will sync automatically. If you have multi-device support enabled, all your 2FA codes will appear on your new phone. If you need to enable multi-device support, open Authy on your old phone. Go to the Settings menu and select Devices. Toggle on Allow Multi-Device. After enabling, repeat the transfer steps on your new device. If you do not have multi-device enabled, you will need to manually transfer your 2FA keys. On your old device, open the Authy app and select the 2FA account you wish to transfer. Locate the QR code option and tap on it. Use your new device to scan the QR code, adding the account to Authy. Repeat this process for each account you have set up in Authy. Once all accounts are transferred, ensure both devices are functioning. For enhanced security, consider removing the Authy app from your old device. Your 2FA codes are now securely transferred to your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.